Today we are discussing a topical subject: how to find yourself. Many people ask this question at different points in their lives. It doesn't arise without reason. It often comes up when a person feels lost, unsure of what to do next, or when dreams and reality start to clash. So, how do you find yourself? It's not an easy task. It's not just about choosing what you like or deciding on a suitable profession. It's not simply about picking what you want to do in life. It's a deep process that troubles many. Of course, we want to live with the thought of doing something we love, not constantly thinking about how to find it. Let's try to figure out how to find yourself and not lose hope. The first step is to listen to yourself. People around us always demand something. Think this way, do that, be like this. But just listen to yourself. To understand yourself, you need to create a space for silence. It doesn't have to be meditation, though that's a great tool. It could simply be a walk in the park where you let your thoughts flow. Ask yourself, what do I like? What am I afraid of? What makes me happy? Don't fear the answers. Write them down if you need to. These are your answers, and they will definitely mark the beginning of finding yourself. Secondly, accept yourself as you are. Accept what you have and be grateful for everything. Sometimes finding yourself is hard because we don't want to accept who we are. We want to be like someone else. We want to be better, stronger, smarter, richer. But finding yourself means embracing who you are, flaws and all. You don't need to be like anyone else. You need to be unique. Your uniqueness sets you apart. You might think there's nothing special about you, but take some time to think. What do you have that others don't? If you find the answer, it might help you find yourself. Also, don't forget to experiment. You can't find yourself by sitting still and just thinking. You need to act and try new things. Sometimes we don't even know what we like until we try it. Try something you do better than others. If you're unsure of your strengths, just try something new. Don't be afraid. New things are always interesting. They bring new experiences, skills that might be useful someday, emotions, and even new people into your life. These people might help you find yourself. Sometimes we understand ourselves better through interactions with others. Ask your friends or close ones, how do you see me? What kind of person am I to you? They might show you aspects of yourself you hadn't noticed. Surround yourself with people who have already found their way. They can guide you in finding yourself. Don't forget about values. Values are the foundation that shapes us as individuals. What is important to you? If you know your values, it will be easier to understand where to go. Be prepared for a long journey. Finding yourself is not an easy path. Some people don't find themselves quickly or easily. Sometimes you might think you've found yourself, but later realize everything has changed. That's normal. People constantly change, and so does your identity. Embrace this uncertainty. Make it your friend, not your enemy. We fear uncertainty, but it's the starting point for great changes. For these changes to happen, you need to try new things, and over time, you'll definitely find yourself. Take care of yourself. Uncertainty often brings a bad mood, possibly even depression, leading to health issues, excessive aggression, or even thoughts of death. So grow both spiritually and physically. Your body and mind are closely connected. Finally, be honest with yourself. Don't try to meet others' expectations, even if they are your close ones or society's. Your path is your own. No one else can walk it for you. Finding yourself isn't a one-time action. It's a continuous process of discovery, acceptance, and growth. Start small. Listen to yourself, be open to new experiences, and move forward. Remember, the goal is not to find the perfect version of yourself, but to find your true self. Thank you for watching. I look forward to hearing what you think.